What's up, guys? Y'all see the fishing pole? You know what the day it is. It's fishing day. Came to release some stress, ease my mind. A lot of people up here enjoying this beautiful day. I'll check back with you guys in a few moments. Hope everybody out there is enjoying their day. Freeing yourself from the negativity and try to follow the positivity. That's what I'm working on right now in my life. Trying to remove all negative and bad. If you're watching this video, please hit us with a like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy the new folks. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some of the bait that I cut up. These some sardines, the big kind, large size. Excuse me for that. The knife right here that I cut my bait up with. Babe brought some extra water. Got my other little pole over there. I haven't used it yet. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make this video short. And if I catch something, I'll come back in and record it for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let this video go. I'll show you guys some more of my bait. Since I didn't catch nothing, try to make the video a little bit of something, you know. But it wasn't. A little more bait in there. Them anchovies right there. So I got sardines and anchovies. 3 different bags. This one right here only got a little bit in it. And here's the larger ones. Oh, actually, excuse me. These are smaller ones. I think these anchovies too also. Yeah, these are. It's a different brand from a different company though. There's some of my weights and the hooks and what have you I have in there. But alright guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Be back with another one. Peace.